I love playing around with Twitter. It used to be a great source of data. I could retrieve tweets, do sentiment analysis, trends, heat maps, location heat maps, etc. But since Elon Musk decided to do his thing, I am trying to do the same using Threads. Threads now doesn't have its API open, so Meta's promised to do that in the coming days, but you can scrap the endpoints using different methods. So I just want to show you something small here. So when I retrieve my threads, so my username or profile is that. So when I click this button, it runs function to access threads and retrieve my threads. So I've just put this so that you can see the time it has taken is 5 seconds to retrieve 10 threads. I can show about 5 of them. Let me do it again. Five seconds. 3 seconds. It's a bit faster now. Let me try a bigger or a person with more threads. So it's taking about 6 seconds. Let me do it again. Four seconds. So what's happening is when I click this retrieve and analyze button, my function accesses the threads app, scrapes the data, and returns it as a data frame. It actually returns it as a JSON object, but then I convert it using other function to a data frame. The problem is every time I do it, it's hitting threads. The problem with that is you're wasting time, you're wasting resources, and you'll probably get banned. So the behavior I want to enforce is that when I enter a new profile here, the system retrieves the data, but then it will not repeat with the retrieval until I ask it to. So all I need to do is to go to my scraper. So the function that I use to scrape the data is this scrape profile, but I will put the decorator provided by Streamlit on this retrieve threads function, which takes the JSON data object from the scraper and converts it into a data frame. So all I need to do is just to enter at st.cachedata. What this will do, it will change the behavior of this function so that it just retrieves data for a new profile and uses it until I ask it to clear the cache. So let me do my profile again. So you see it has added a new nice representation of data retrieval. So 4 seconds. Even if I press this 1,000 times, it will not hit the threads application again. It will just wait for me to ask it to refresh. So let me try another profile. Retrieve. Again, it's running the function. 4 seconds. And now it's not hitting, or it's not going to the threads site and retrieving the data. So what do I do when I need to refresh? I've just created a button on the side panel, and all I have to do is to clear the cache, and when I run it again, it is retrieving. So I can decide that I want to clear the cache every hour and check if this profile has updated a new thread, or I can do triggers that can check every few hours, or whenever someone clicks this 3 times, and then at the 3rd time it will check, on the 4th time it will check. So you can do a lot of things with this. So this is just a simple demonstration on caching data using the function or the decorator sd.cachedata. This is, of course, is provided by Streamlit. So of course you must have imported Streamlit. When I'm done with this, I will share the code and the demo application. Thank you and have a good day.